For more than 60 years, Polysciences has supported both the early research and manufacturing that helps build and scale products. With the right team and facilities in place, we guide projects smoothly from concept to completion. Our US-based manufacturing and global support help avoid supply chain challenges. Over the decades, we've built our own global supply chain to serve customers wherever they are and keep their ideas and businesses moving forward. Our headquarters in Warrington, Pennsylvania features GMP-compliant operations, ISO 7 and ISO 8 cleanroom environments, and ISO 13485 certified spaces. These capabilities are supported by additional Polysciences facilities across Europe, Asia, India, and Brazil, allowing us to deliver materials efficiently wherever they're needed. Our team has the credentials to tackle projects that start with new chemistry. We partner with customers in medical devices, electronics, and many other areas to create solutions you can't find off the shelf. By supporting the full development process, we help turn early ideas into refined, production-ready results. As projects move towards commercialization, our contract manufacturing capabilities provide the infrastructure to scale. Whether the chemistry involves reagents or hazardous materials, we have the ability to manufacture a range of materials safely and reliably. By blending, milling, filling, and packaging in-house, we provide a clear path to market. Our research and development team shapes ideas into real-world solutions for life sciences, electronics, and other specialized applications. Whether something completely new is being developed or an existing material is being used, our R&D teams are ready to help handle all your needs. Science tells a story, and our analytical capabilities help us understand it. Guided by USP, GMP, and ICH methodologies, our team applies advanced tools to ensure traceability down to parts per trillion when required. Techniques such as spectrographic analysis, NMR, and ICP strengthen our ability to characterize materials with precision. Our analytical process ensures that projects move to the next chapter. At every step of your project's journey, Polysciences brings together the chemistry, the people, and the infrastructure needed to move complex ideas forward. If you're ready to advance your next material or product, we're ready to help. Visit polysciences.com to get started.